Welcome to the garage. My name's Jeff and this is the Wrenching Lounge. And in this video, we're going to talk about something that hits home with every car enthusiast: vehicle theft. Did you know your Mopars are one of the highest stolen vehicles around? It's a real problem, but today I'm going to show you a way of tracking your vehicle if it were to get stolen. No subscriptions needed, nothing like that. And we're going to do it using AirTags. But not just any AirTags. I'm going to show you how to modify these to where the thief isn't able to find them. First, let's talk about how AirTags work to begin with. They're a small, affordable tracker designed to help you locate lost items like keys and bags. The magic lies in Apple's massive infrastructure. Every single iPhone is an access point for this little transmitter. It will ping its location to any iPhone within about 30 feet of it and send that to Apple. Apple will then put the owner and the ID together. At that point, they'll send the location of the tag to the owner. This makes it a very effective tool to help track your stolen vehicle. And the best part is, there's no subscription required. I bought a 4-pack of AirTags on sale for $75. That's a lot of coverage for a small price. But here's the catch. To prevent stalking, AirTags beep when they're moving without the owner or the owner's iPhone. This feature is great for privacy. It does this because AirTags have been used in the past to stalk people. So if someone doesn't know they're being followed with an AirTag, they'll hear the beeping and can find the AirTag. This feature is terrible if you want to use an AirTag in your car. Thankfully, there's a way around it, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Alright, here's how to modify the AirTag to silence the beeping. I've already done these two, so we're going to go to this third one right here. What you're going to need is a utility knife. Something with a good strong tip, because what we're going to do is pry apart this AirTag. Before we start, I need you to remember, you're doing this at your own risk, and tampering with an AirTag is going to void your warranty. Alright, step one is we're going to remove the back plate by twisting it counterclockwise. Pops right out. And then there's your battery. This is the little protector that disconnects the battery so it doesn't drain while it's on the shelf at the store. Step two is we're going to use a utility knife to pry the gray and white halves apart. There are 3 tabs holding these pieces together. Here's an image of where exactly you're going to pry. So at this point, we're going to carefully pry at each point. We're going to slide the tip between the 2 pieces, work it down, and just pop it up. There's one. And we're going to work our way around till we get all 3 tabs released. And from here, we can see the inside of the tag. You have your 2 metal contacts for the battery, and then right here in the center, that's where the speaker is. All you have to do from here is stick your utility knife in here and just gently pry out the speaker. Just like that. And there you have it. This will prevent the AirTag from beeping after a thief steals your car. Normally, they'll start beeping within an hour to 8 hours of the car leaving its location. Now, it'll no longer beep. At this point, let's put it back together. All you're going to need to do is, you're going to line up this hole with this metal contact right here. And once you get that lined up just right, you just squeeze. And there you have it. Now your AirTag is completely silent and ready to hide in your car. Next, let's talk about some good hiding spots. The goal is to place the AirTag in a discreet but effective place. Here are some ideas. Here's a good location, underneath the back seat. First thing you need to do is, on most cars, all it takes is a quick tug. Put a little double-sided tape and just stick it in the corner right here and put the seat back down. Here's another cool hiding spot. On the back of most rear decks is a little access panel. Underneath this is a hook where you would install a child's car seat. But for us, perfect spot to put an AirTag. Slide it right there, and no one will ever know. Couple other ideas. Hide it somewhere in the trunk. And if you go on Amazon, there's a couple products that you can buy that are watertight and magnetic to stick anywhere underneath the car. I'll post a link in the description. Here's a quick tip. Like I said, these are cheap. $75 for 4 of them. Put 2 to 4 of them in your car. Remember, thieves know about these. And they might find one, but they're never going to find all 4 of them. Remember, you disabled the speakers, so you'll no longer be able to make it beep if you lose it. Take a note of where you put it in the car so you don't forget it. Adding AirTags to your car is a cheap, effective way of being able to track it. You might not be able to prevent a thief from stealing your car, but it definitely increases your odds of getting it back in one piece. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, consider hitting that subscribe and like button. Do you have any additional tips of where you could hide these things in your car? Post them in the comments below. So until next time, keep turning wrenches and chasing dreams. And I'll see you at the wrenching lounge.